Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare NAD C 3050 versus Yamaha amplifiers. We'll dive into what makes each of these integrated amplifiers stand out, focusing on their unique characteristics and performance. You'll learn about their design philosophies, sound signatures, and how they integrate into different audio setups. This comparison will help you decide which amplifier best suits your listening preferences and home audio needs. The NAD C 3050 truly shines with its blend of vintage appeal and cutting-edge technology. Its modular design allows for future upgrades, ensuring your investment remains relevant. With 100 watts per channel, it provides ample power for most speakers, delivering a dynamic and engaging sound. This amplifier is perfect for those who appreciate a warm, detailed sound profile and a timeless look. Yamaha amplifiers are celebrated for their commitment to natural sound reproduction, often described as clean and neutral. Many models incorporate advanced room correction, optimizing audio performance for your specific listening environment. They typically offer a comprehensive suite of connectivity options, making them versatile for various audio sources. If you prioritize accuracy and a transparent soundstage, a Yamaha amplifier could be an excellent choice. Ultimately, the choice between NAD C 3050 and Yamaha depends on your personal preferences. Do you favor a warm, retro vibe with upgradability, or a neutral, precise sound with advanced features? Think about your speaker pairing and listening space. Whichever you choose, both brands offer exceptional audio experiences. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.